Now we shall see the next, that is information technology. Information technology can be truly regarded as the industry of today. It is due to the meteoric growth and worldwide expansion of this industry that we are able to connect with the rest of the world at any time. The information technology industry is based on the development in two major areas. What are they? This is very essential for us to get convenience in the field of production, in the field of industries, in the field of all sorts of tasks. Number first, the hardware industry is related to the manufacturing of computers and their peripherals, chips, disks, drives, and other components. Number next, the software industry prepares programs that enable computers to operate and enable information and data to be processed, analyzed, and interpreted. The software is the media the computer uses to perform various tasks and functions. The main and very essential part of the computer, that is hardware and software, both act the task preferably by the operator. The IT industry is creating new jobs at breakneck speed. It is an industry which depends on research and cutting edge technology. Many job opportunities are being created in this sector, and it is an industry that is totally depend on research and cutting edge technology. Each breakthrough means greater productivity and more white collar job, that is official jobs. No doubt about that. This is a very white collar job, very peaceful job, very respectable job. This is known as official job. IT related businesses, software development, web based services, project consultancy, plus outsourced services, which include call centers, medical transcription, and business process. Outsourcing or BPOs are today creating millions of jobs worldwide. As the location is depend on a skill level. Force and capital, it can be located anywhere in the world where the two are available. Surprisingly, it is the developing countries that offer skilled labor at affordable rates and are thus becoming the nodes for this new industry. The IT industry is today booming in the US, Western and Central Europe, Russia, China, Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, and India. India has a flourishing IT industry. This industry has been successful in creating centers of excellence in the most backward states. The Indian IT industry and software technology parks which have a concentration of software firms in Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Thiruvananthapuram are growing very rapidly. This has given an impetus to job opportunities in the country. Unemployment among educated youth and regional economic disparities can gradually diminish with the spread of the IT industry in India. Other noteworthy industries are metal fabricating, or we can say the manufacture of metal products, engineering units, making industrial, electrical and agricultural machinery, machine tools, electronics, electrical equipment, pharmaceuticals, consumer goods, fertilizers and food processing. Now different types of industries we can locate here. They are major industries. Industrial belt, state, major cities, industries. What are they? First let us see in India, Ahmedabad, Vadodara belt. State, Gujarat. Major cities, Ahmedabad, the Manchester of India that is known, Surat, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surendranagar. Mumbai, Pune belt, Maharashtra, Mumbai, the cotton polish of India, Pune. What are the industries set up there? In Ahmedabad, Gujarat, you can say Vadodara belt, petrochemicals, textiles, jewelry, pharmaceuticals, drugs, diamonds, diamond cutting, leather, glassware, plastic, chemicals, fertilizers and engineering goods. These are the things produced in Gujarat state. That is very rich in industry state. Next that is Maharashtra. Textile, shapes, automobiles, chemicals, plastics, cinematography, pharmaceuticals, machines, engineering goods, petrochemicals, toys, leather goods, electronics, armaments, soap and detergents. These are the things largely produced in this state, that is Maharashtra, also known the cotton polish of India, Pune that is. So, in this chapter, in this topic we have discussed a lot about all such types of industrial belt located in India. Next, we shall be going to discuss the next topic in the next video, next explanation. Till then, we have to do our task, our work properly inside the fair copy as well as in practice copy. Prepare all the questions, answers, all the notes, the videos which is sent to you for preparation. It must be observed and get information about the topic. So it will be better for you. Your study must be going seriously in the right direction. so that you could perform in better way in coming examinations. Till then, we shall be going back and we will meet tomorrow with the next class and next video. Sorry, next chapter and next video. Thank you.